Hi friend! Today I will show you how to make amigurumi axolotl. It's easy, simple, and so cute. Let's start for making it. Amigurumi axolotl had the first row. Make 6 single crochet in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 2, make 2 single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 12 single crochet for total. Row 3, make single crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch, 2 single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 18 single crochet for total. Row 4, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 18 single crochet for total. Row 5, make single crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch, single crochet, and the third stitch, 2 single crochet. Single crochet 2 times, 1, 2, and 3 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 6 to row 8, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 24 single crochet for total. 9, make single crochet 2 times, 1, 2, and then decrease. Single crochet 2 times, 1, 2, and decrease. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 18 single crochet for total. Row 8 to row 11, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 18 single crochet for total. Fill the crown. Row 12, make single crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch, make decrease, single crochet, decrease. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 12 single crochet for total. Row 13, we just make decrease every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 6 single crochet for total. Close by hand. Amigurumi axolotl body. The first row, make single crochet, 6 single crochet in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How to make single crochet every stitches. We will have 6 single crochet for total. Row 3, make single crochet in the first stitch, next stitch single crochet, and the next stitch 2 single crochet. Single crochet 2 times, and then 2 single crochet. We will have 8 single crochet for total. Row 4 to row 6, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until row 6. We will have 8 single crochet for total. Row 7, make single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then next stitch 2 single crochet. Single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and 2 single crochet. We will have 10 single crochet for total. Row 8 to row 9, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern. We will have 10 single crochet for total. Row 10, make single crochet 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 single crochet. Single crochet 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 single crochet. We will have 12 single crochet for total. 11, make single crochet 5 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 single crochet. Single crochet 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next stitch 2 single crochet. We will have 14 single crochet for total. Row 12 to row 15, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 14 single crochet for total. Row 16, make single crochet for 5 times, 3, 4, 5, and then make decrease. Single crochet 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then decrease. Row 17 to row 18, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 12 single crochet for total. Then fill the crown. Make 4 single crochet, 2, 3, 4. Row 2 to row 5, we just make single crochet every stitches. Make 5 again. Make 5 single crochet in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Row 2 to row 6, we just make single crochet every stitches. We will have 5 single crochet for total. Make 3 again. So slip knot, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, chain 1, turn your work, make single crochet 2 times, and then half double crochet, one, 2, 3, 4, okay, finish. Okay, I finish, and next we will sew. I finish for so, and I wanna make fin again for the bottom. From row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We make single crochet. Slip stitch, make slip stitch the first, and make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. Slip stitch in here. Chain 1, turn work, make single crochet 1, 2, 3, make half double crochet 1, 2, make double crochet 1, 2, 3, make half double crochet, half double crochet again, single crochet, and slip stitch. Cut yarn. Okay friend, finish for make axolotl amigurumi. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next my another tutorial.